You are probably going to have multiple machines that each have their own different settings. We can have multiple machine configurations. Here is how we add other machines. The machine drop-down list has all our different machines. Let's add 2 more machines. Go to Settings, Machines. We can add and delete here. Type the name of the new machine, then press Add. Add another one. Close that, and our new machines are now in the machine drop-down list. We also have a shortcut list we can use to make it easier to get to our directories where our programs are. Add a new shortcut, give it a name and a path where the files are. And save. Now we have 2 shortcuts in the shortcut dropdown that we can use to easily go to different directories. Now there is something else we can do. We can connect a shortcut to a machine, so every time we choose that machine, the file list will automatically go to the directory for that machine. Go to Settings, Configuration for the machine. On the Files page, fill in the path to the default directory for the machine. Now, if the path in the shortcut is the same as the default directory of the machine, when we change machines, the file list directory will automatically change.